How to add send message messenger button to Facebook page. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application in your device and then simply switch to your Facebook page. As you can see here, I'm already on my Facebook page. Now, once you're on your home page, navigate to the top right corner, then tap on your profile icon with that three line. That will take you to your menu page. Here scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy. Then again tap on settings. Once you get to your settings and privacy page, scroll down and under audience and visibility section there is an option as how people find and contact you. Tap on that. Now at the bottom of this page there you will have an option as allow people in pages to message your page. So make sure to turn on that toggle. Once you have turned on that toggle, now head back to your profile page. Go back and tap on your profile icon. Now once you land in your profile page, scroll down a bit and under add to story button, next to advertise button, there is three dot button. Tap on that. You'll get to page settings. Now from all of these options, find out add action button. Then tap on add action button. From here, again tap on edit buttons. Now select message from the top. Then tap on save. Now you have added this messenger button to your Facebook page. Now go back. Now log in with your different Facebook account. Here I'm on my different Facebook account. Now simply search for that Facebook page in your search bar. Here is the Facebook page that I have recently added messenger button to. And there you can see there is two buttons as like and another one with message to this page. So that's how you can add messenger button to a Facebook page. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.